Hello, my name is Bastidas, majoring in mechanical engineering, and I am interested in alternative energies, mainly solar. What I'm going to present is what nanotechnology has advanced in this field, which began when Richard Feynman asked how to make anything smaller, which caused extraordinary advancements in many fields. First, we will begin with why alternative energies needed to be created. To begin with, why do we need alternative energies? It is because with the problems with fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are still undeniably the most widely used energy sources globally. Fossil fuels are also a finite resource, which means once we burn the fuels, they're gone. It took them thousands of years to form, and they won't come back anytime soon. Another problem with fossil fuels is it is environmentally damaging and harmful to human health. So, there are many alternative energies nowadays, and I will only focus on solar. So, nanotechnology helped with the making of solar panels. Solar panels can create electricity directly from sunlight. It is one of the few systems that produces energy without any waste and pollution. Every other system that produces energy includes producing waste and pollution, such as fossil fuels, nuclear power, and biofuels. So, nanotechnology has produced several ways we can improve solar cells to make them cheaper, more durable, and ready for widespread use. The next generation of solar cells made possible with nanotechnology are thin film solar cells. They are flexible sheets of solar panels that are easier to produce and install. They use semiconducting nanomaterials such as nanotubes, nanowires, and nanoparticles embedded in a conductive plastic. These new solar cells made with nanotechnology work the same way as traditional solar cells, but use much less material, which means they are lessly cost to produce. The flexible thin solar panels are made by a process similar to a regular ink printer. They start with an ink of semiconducting nanoparticles, and it is sprayed across onto a foil or a plastic surface. This way of using nanotechnology has made solar panels cost cheaper because they are easier to make and they use less material, which causes the price of the solar panels to decrease and causes more consumers to buy them. A more recent advancement in solar energy with nanotechnology was given by an article by Dr. Su in this class. It involves hot solar cells. A team of MIT scientists has built a different sort of solar energy device that can capture far more of the sun's energy. The trick is to first turn sunlight into heat and then convert it back into light, but now focus within the spectrum that solar cells can use. This device is the first to absorb more energy than a traditional solar cell, showing that the approach could increase efficiency. This device in converting heat to focused beams of light could create cheap and continuous power in the future. The availability of these solar cells are 10 to 15 years from now. The device created in MIT is still a crude prototype in a vacuum room, operating at just 6.8% efficiency. But with more time and enhancements, it could be roughly twice as efficient as conventional solar panels. Another material that was created with nanotechnology are called carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are tiny, they're just a few nanometers thick. 50,000 of them could fit across the width of a human hair, made up of carbon atoms at nanoscale. They are very lightweighted, flexible, super strong, They're even stronger than steel, and they are excellent conductors of electricity and heat, with a very large surface area. Nanotubes have much lower resistance than copper wires. It might allow us to make wires that carry electricity across vast distances with much greater efficiency. This will make a big difference letting us use and access more solar and wind power in the future. Furthermore, nanotechnology has been involved in many sectors nowadays, and energy is the most important because today we need more alternative energies to be successful in getting more electricity. So in the near future, we can eliminate or reduce gas and oil being used as the main energy source to have a clean and sustainable planet. For more information about nanotechnology and alternative energy, you can look at these websites on the screen. Thank you. Have a good day.